Hello. I'm checking out the news. Oh, I'm so fed up about that. All that news about Nadia Solomon. Every time I look into the computer, it's the same BS. Same. They should leave that poor woman alone. I have a friend of mine who had 16 babies at the same time. This chicken she did. And she took care of them fine. She didn't need no help. And they're complaining about the taxes. Gosh. Just a little bit of a fraction. They don't care about their money going into wars. No, but here they're complaining about a small fraction, the smallest of them all, going to taking care of 8 beautiful babies. That's wrong, I say. And I'm only a bird. Yes, I am. Yeah, and an offer for an X-rated movie? Ha. My friend also got an offer for an X-rated movie, but you couldn't find a rooster that lasted more than a second. Well, that is. Anyway, my mom calls me Baby Krishna, but I'm not a baby. My name is Hope Krishna, but I prefer to be called Krishna. Anyway, any tidbits that I have about any more news that I would like to share with you, I'll get online and I'll give you my opinion from a bird's point of view. Bye, folks. See you soon.